Welcome students. Today we will start new chapter line segments. So first this figure is given. Then how many line segment in there? First line segment AB, second BC, third AC. Then total 3 line segment. First is AB, BC and AC are the line segments. Now next, comparisons of two line segments. Suppose that two line segments are given, then how we will check that which lines are longer. So first is by observing. Means two line segment are given. The line segment AB and second line segment CD. Now observing, we have seen that CD is longer than AB. So CD is longer than AB. Second, by tracing. Suppose that two line segment PQ and second is XY. Which line segment is longer? So tracing that first line segment here, this line segment here PQ and this line XY. Here we see that PQ is here, PQ point that here, means this distance is longer than PQ. So XY is longer than PQ, greater than PQ. Third, by using divider. You know divider? This is the divider. This instrument is called divider, by which we have measured the two line segment. Suppose that a line segment LM and second line segment is CD. Then by using divider, we have measured that this line segment, this and this is, compare that. Here we say that LM is that, LM line segment is that, and by this line segment we put this divider on the line segment CD. We see that CD is longer than LM. CD is greater than LM. Now next topic is measuring line segment. Suppose that a line segment is given, this line segment AB, and measure this line segment. So first, using ruler or scale. You know what is ruler? This is ruler, scale, and in that scale we have seen that there is written 2 units. This is in centimeter. In centimeter, 0, 1, and between 0 to 1 there is divided into 10 equal part, and this part is called mm, millimeter. And second, this is called inch. In scale there is given 6 is such type of scale. There is given 6 inch and centimeter 1 to 15 centimeter. So using this scale or ruler, the name of this scale is also ruler. Using this ruler we have measured that line segment AB. So first, point A is put on 0 here, 0, and we see that last point. Where is last point? Here point A is at 0 and last point is here, that is this. Now we see that this 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then length of AB is equal to 8 centimeter. Now next, using the divider and ruler, measuring the length of PQ using divider and ruler. So first student, we have used the divider and measure it. That this we have measured the length of PQ by using divider. Now this divider is measured from the scale. Here this is scale, and now we have put this from one point at 0 centimeter, and now measure that second point is here. Second point is at 0.6. This is measure that. Now measure this. This is 1, and last point is where? Last point is 6. Now the length of PQ is equal to 6 centimeter. Now next, construction of a line segment. Construct a line segment using scale. Suppose that line is given, line PQ, length 7 centimeter. Construct a line segment PQ whose length is 7 centimeter by using scale. So first we have make the point, this point is Q. Now from this point we use the scale 7 centimeter. Then this point 0 centimeter is put at point P. यहाँ पे put करो, and that now last point 7 where 7 centimeter is that here. This is 7. Now this point is become Q, and join that this point. This line segment PQ is 7 centimeter. Now next, construct a line segment using compass. Dear student, you know compass. This is called compass. Now we will use this compass for measuring the length of line segment, or for make a arc or make a circle. We have used this compass. So first, by using this compass, measure the line segment. Construct the line segment. So construct a line segment. Construct a line segment AB 5 centimeter. 5 centimeter. So first we draw a line segment. This line segment is given. Now we have constructed a line segment 5 centimeter. So first take a point, this is A. Now 5 centimeter. Now use the compass and measure the 5 centimeter. This is 5 centimeter. This length become 5 centimeter. Here we use the compass and measure the 5 centimeter. Now point A is here. Now cut a point B, that this point become B. This point become B. Now AB is equal to 5 centimeter. Now next, to cut a line segment from a given line equal in length up to given line segment. Suppose that a line segment AB line segment is given, and this line segment cut on line OX. So first measure this line segment. This is line segment. By using the compass, we have measured this line segment AB using compass, and this line segment is cut at here. and this point become y. Now OY is equal to AB. Now next, to construct a line segment whose length is sum of the length of given segment. Suppose that two line segment given AB and PQ. Now construct a third line segment whose length is equal to the sum of the length of AB and PQ. Means suppose that a line, we have considered a line segment this. Now first point, consider that point is X. Now measure the first line segment AB. We have measured this line segment AB and constructed that. Now again measure the line segment PQ and cut after this PQ. Now this point become Y, where XY is equal to sum of AB plus PQ. Next, to construct a line segment whose length is difference the length of given segment. Suppose that two line segment is given, AB 8 cm, PQ 5 cm. Now construct a third line segment whose length is difference of AB and PQ. So first draw line segment. Suppose that this point is O. Now first measure the line segment AB. This line segment is AB. Here this, consider that this point is R. Now next measure the line segment PQ, and from point R we have construct the line PQ. This is T. Now this value is 5 cm and overall this value OR 8 cm. Now this value OT is the difference of OT. Here OT is equal to AB minus PQ. OT is the length whose difference of AB minus PQ. AB minus PQ. This line segment is the difference of AB and PQ. Okay, thank you today. Have a nice day.